To start, attach 2 of the 5-foot ropes to the center of the dowel using the lark's head knot. Next, take the second rope in from the left and use it as your guide, creating double clove hitch knots all the way to the right. Once you've worked your way through all the ropes to the right-hand side, we're going to create another lark's head knot with the guide rope, simply by looping it over and then down through the loop. Next, we're going to take it behind the dowel and down through the front. Make another lark's head knot on the right-hand side where we just finished, using another 5-foot rope. Once again, we'll skip the first rope, use the second rope as our guide, and this time work our way to the left. Using the guide rope again, we're going to create another lark's head knot. Once you've completed 3 full double clove hitch knots, we're going to take one of the 3-foot ropes and make a cow's head knot, meaning it's the same as the lark's head knot, except instead of putting the loop over from the front, you loop it from behind. We're going to pull it really tight so it looks just like the clove hitch knots. Working our way back to the left, after the first couple knots, you can see there's quite a gap in between the strings. This is where you'll want to take the second 3-foot rope and once again use the cow head knot to attach it. If you're using a different size cord for this project, it can create more spaces in between the strings, and if you try to pull the clove hitch knot up, it's going to end up warping and distorting the semicircle on top. So that's where you're going to have to use your own judgment, and if you think the space between the strings has grown to be too big, you want to attach another string using the cow's head notch. Now that I've achieved the size that I want for my semicircle, I'm going to create another layer of fringe in front because the strings that come down look so sparse. This is an easy way just to add much more texture and length if you'd like. I'm using another one of the 5-foot cords, attaching each side with a lark's head knot.